My coming is to know him. Go to verse number 11. Let's develop a little further. If by any means I might attain unto the resurrection of the dead, he said in the 12th verse, not as though I have already attained. Turn it into GNT. Let's break the English down. In this version, as he continues, he said, I do not claim that I have already succeeded in knowing him or have already become perfect. I keep striving to win the prize for which Christ has already won for himself, won for me to himself. In the 14th verse, he made clear, is a 14th verse, no 14. Okay, then turn this into the Amplified and let me derive what I'm looking for. The Bible said, brothers and sisters, I do not consider that I have made it by my own yet. But one thing I do, forgetting what lies behind, reaching forward toward is ahead, or what lies ahead. I press on. It's a press on. I press on toward the mark. It was that which he was talking about in Jude, which is only one chapter, in the 3rd verse. He said, when I gave heed to write to you concerning our common salvation, he said it was needful for me to write unto you to exhort you that you should earnestly contend for the faith. When you know you pray home, yes, you pray home. One preach a pain was a Christian monson warrior say dada you preach it will be a sorry babetana when you mean him kwasi da bia ye Gideon one ye pray home, you know. So he said the other day, examine yourself whether you are still in the faith all the time. Examine yourself, check the lies, check yourself, bring yourself to a scrutiny, to a critical analysis, to an assessment whether you are still in the faith. And so David said, search me, O God, and know my heart, try me and know my thought, if there be any evil way in me, and lead me in the path of everlasting. It was a marching song in school. Search me, search me. And once of when you're born again, you're born again. No. You may have a shock of Matthew chapter 7 and verse number 21.